How to turn on countdown bar on TradingView. Are you guys facing issues to turn on the countdown bar on TradingView? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open TradingView on your laptop device. Once you open up your TradingView, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now right click on the screen and click on settings. Once you click on settings, go over scale and lines. Once you go over there, now scroll down. You can see the option for countdown to bar close. Just turn on this option over here. Once you turn it on, now click on OK. So as you guys can see, our countdown bar has been enabled on TradingView. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.